Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you a very simple recipe for steamed sweet potatoes. So let's get started.
So in a heavy bottom pot, you want something really heavy, really thick, because you're going to steam. We're not adding any liquid in here and you don't want the bottom of it to burn. So we're going to put this on a medium heat. So just place your pot up on a medium heat. And to that I'm going to add in some salted butter. You can use oil, you can use golden ray, whatever you like. Allow that to melt. Okay, now we're going to add our aromatics in. I'm going in with some sliced garlic, sliced onions. I'm going in with 1 hot pepper and 2 pimento peppers sliced, some sliced mini bell peppers, and some chopped parsley or celery. I'm using the Chinese version, and I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt and we're going to allow this to saute until it's tender, crisp. Okay, so after about a minute of sauteing, we're going to go in with our sweet potatoes. I already sliced and cut the potatoes into a quarter. Now you can cut the potatoes as big or as small as you like. And to give some more flavor to this, I'm going in with some GOYA ADOBO all-purpose seasoning, or you can use any type of all-purpose seasoning you have on hand. And I'm just gonna mix that. Now you're gonna drop your heat to a low. You want it to be very, very low because the steam is what is going to cook this. So you would want it to take its time and cook. Drop my heat to very low and let it steam for about half an hour, after which we'll go in and check it. If it needs more cooking, we'll allow it to continue to cook. Okay, so half an hour is up. I'm just letting that water fall back in there because that's what's gonna help it cook if we need it to cook more. I'm gonna give it a mix. See how nice it's caramelizing? Now I'm gonna take a knife and I'm just going to pierce it. Now I'm just gonna take a knife and go in. You see how nice and easy it goes in? Some of them still feel a little bit on the firm side, but some pieces, like this smaller piece and this small piece, is nice and cooked. So I'm just gonna leave this like 5 more minutes and then this should be done. Okay, that 5 minutes is up. Let's check on the potatoes. Nice and tender. Now if you want at this time, you can break it up into smaller bits like what I'm doing, or you can leave it as whole, but I prefer it to look a little more on the rustic side, and then all of that deliciousness can get inside the potatoes. And there you have it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to give this a taste, make sure that it has enough salt, the flavor is where I want it to be, and then this will be ready to be served.
So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment, let me know. If you're new, I hope you subscribe. Please remember to like and share this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!